I'm on the wrong side. It look like a huge pothole up there.
Better not get too comfortable.
That's one thing I don't like about driving in the city, man. Like anywhere you go, like the roads be so up. Be potholes after potholes after potholes after potholes. I think that's like the only tunnel down here that don't have a camera. And it's not even like a long tunnel. DC got too many cameras. Like it's crazy. It's insane how many cameras they have. Speeding cameras. So I got the windows cracked and everything. And bro, this weather, man, is so bipolar. The weather in the DMV, man, is fucking bipolar. A few days ago, it was 70, I think it was like 76 degrees, bro. And now we back into like the 40s and 30s and shit, 30s and 40s. And it's crazy. Like today, during the daytime, it was like 45, I think. It was sunny, so it was kind of warm, but it was still cold. I mean, but no, this is perfect weather. When it's daytime, 40 degrees, I'm not gonna lie, 40 and 50 degrees is like perfect weather. You know, as far as like driving. Not outside, not being outside, that's kind of cold, but like driving, that's perfect. All right, so I think I got some pretty good footage to drop a video. But yeah, I'm on my way home. So that will conclude the video.